Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Good news, the APA presentation and paper is available for submission. It is right under your midterm, so if you click there and go to the link, you can upload your paper and presentation into the one submission area. So when you browse local files, upload to, and then hit submit. So that's where the application upload is, right here, right at the top. If you scroll down to week 12, you're just going to find some more guidelines here. So if you want a last minute review, feel free to take a look. You know, there's some information in regards to APA, of course, and we're going to look at one thing really quickly. This is how I'm going to grade for the paper. You're going to have the part on your sources, your format, your style, your writing technique, and then your summary. And they're all worth equal 20 points. But I'm really looking for this thing. This is, of course, from Purdue OWL, which I've told you to go to for access. But I'm looking for how well you follow directions in regards to APA. And I know it can be a little tedious at times, but it really means a lot that you went about this and followed the directions that we laid out, because it's important. APA style is kind of the method that we use for writing, and you know, it's a good learning activity. So if you learn how to write in APA style, it's something that'll never leave you. Although you need to check and make sure when they update the edition that you follow the new guidelines, but make sure it's in APA style. A lot of you have emailed me your paper already, and I have a feeling you're going to do really, really well. So don't stress about it. If you need any help, feel free to email it to me and I can look at the APA format. I can't make revisions to your paper just because, of course, that would be plagiarism, because I would be doing your work, but I can take a look at the format and help you in that regard. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm really looking forward to reading your paper, listening to your presentation, and this is a big part of the course, so looking forward to having this part done. Thanks so much.